Safety inspection or HSE observation tour or workplace inspection, are they really important or it just waste of time? When you hear these terms, what really comes to your mind? Now I know what you might be thinking. It's the same boring things. Someone will come with those fancy clipboards, fill the checklist, and point out on those dirty floors, broken chairs, housekeeping, and give a speech and walk away. Well, friends, it's not just about ticking the boxes or completing a checklist. If safety inspection or HSE observation tour was done properly, it is a very powerful tool. This can help in preventing accidents, building a proactive and positive safety culture, and there are many more benefits. They play an important role to make the workplace safe and secure. If you're still wondering how, then you will get all your answers in this video. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Hello everyone, my name is Brijesh Kumar and welcome to your learning partner channel HSC Universe. Before diving into those important benefits, let's explore few scenarios. Just imagine crossing the street. Would you blindly walk into the traffic or would you look for crosswalks, traffic lights and ensure that there is no oncoming vehicle prior to crossing? Or think about cooking in the kitchen. Would you leave a pot of oil unattended on the stove or would you turn it off before overheats or you leave the kitchen? In the both cases, you proactively identify the potential hazards and took the necessary steps or actions to mitigate the risk before something goes wrong. That is what we do during HSC observation or safety inspection. If you want to get in-depth knowledge on this topic, don't forget to watch this video. The link is in the description and in the I button, which is hanging somewhere left or right corner. So, why are these inspections so important or what are the benefits of it? Let's find out with some relatable examples. Number one, preventing accident. Imagine tripping over a loose wire in the office walkway. Ouch! Must be painful. A simple inspection could have spotted that wire and prevented it to a painful fall. What do you think? Or think of a workplace where a damaged ladder is being used. One wrong step and you are looking at a serious injury. The regular safety inspection could have ensured it was in a good condition. HSC observations or safety inspection act as a preventive measures. And how it does? During this process, possible hazards were identified and controlled before they turn into an incident. Let's see the second benefit, which is boosting productivity and morale. Regular safety inspection send a positive message amongst your team that organizations care about their well-being. This results in building trust and creating a positive work environment. Always remember, a safe and healthy work environment leads to happier and more productive employees. Number three, building a culture of safety. When safety inspections become part of your routine, it's not just about checking the boxes or completing the checklist, it's become a shared value. Regular observation tour and inspection encourage everyone to be proactive about safety, creating a culture when everyone look out for each other. It's like having a family rule about keeping the kitchen knife to a safe and designated place. You don't keep it on the floor or bedroom or here and there. Why? Because everyone in the family knows it's important and they all work together to keep the house safe. So the same applies to the workplace. Employees engagement. Generally, these tours or inspections involve multidisciplinary people, such as from management team to the frontline worker to supervisor. It is an inclusive process where each team members can contribute. And how they contribute? By reporting unsafe conditions or practices. This engagement fosters a safety conscious culture. Number 5, time and cost saving in the long run. Accidents cost money as well as time, isn't it? From medical bill to the lost productivity to the investigation cost and fear of legal action and penalties. We are not yet counting the suffering, the pain, and lower morale and lost time caused by the accident. That is extra. By preventing accident, HSC observation tour and safety inspections save money for the organization in the long term. It's like fixing the leaky roof or water pipe in your house before it flood to your house. A small investment that prevents a much bigger headache and, of course, expense down the line. Do you agree? Number 6, staying compliant with the regulation. Every industry has safety regulations and safety inspection help to ensure that organizations or workplace meets with those requirements. Think of driving a car. You need to follow traffic rules to avoid getting pulled over or have a fine. Similarly, inspections help you to avoid legal trouble with safety regulations. Number 7, continuous improvement. These programs are not a one-time affair. Regular checks allow for continuous improvement in HSC standard. Each observation tour or inspection provide valuable insights that can be used to refine HSC protocols and make the workplace more safer and healthier. It's like upgrading your mobile phone for a better feature, right? You do time to time. Number 8, enhance reputation. An organization with a strong safety record attracts and retains top talent and build trust with clients and community. Safety inspections or HSC observation tour plays a crucial role in building a strong safety record. So now you have seen a long list of benefits of safety inspection. Are you planning to conduct HSC observation or site safety inspection, but not quite sure where to start? Don't worry, friends. My next video will be on this topic, where I will be sharing a few simple tips on how to conduct HSC observations or site safety inspection. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get an updated video as it gets published. And don't forget to write your comment on what other HSC topics you would like to me cover. With this, I Brijesh Kumar signing off, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.